Oh, fuck. Sorry. Hold on. I never started VBridge or YouTube Studio. 1 second. Yeah, what's up, Skuna? I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry, I never started VTube Studio. Let me see if I can get it to connect now. Alright, there we go. I never started it. I was planning to stream about 3 hours ago, and I got a little busy with trying to get this bot working. So she was not fully working. Also, I need to move that. I should hide that actually. This one. Yeah. I should hide that on this screen. Yeah, I was working. I decided I'm gonna ditch Mix It Up. Mix It Up isn't really working very well. It sucks. And the stuff I was trying to have it do would continuously lag out. So for whatever reason, it would not play videos. It would not show raid events. It would not show redemptions. It was not showing a bunch of shit, and it was happening with that, and also with the Twitch events too in OBS. So what I decided to do was just build it into the bot functionality completely. So she now handles all the raid events, and she now handles all the keywords and Easter eggs that are part of the stream that I was doing before, as part of the kind of sort of hidden things that if you say them, it'll trigger something. Yeah, what's up, Heavenly? The what's up one apparently isn't working, and that should technically trigger something. But maybe it's not. It's supposed to trigger a welcome to stream or something, but normally, well, she's replying though, so she's supposed to reply on first chat, and then and then if you at her, she's supposed to reply. That didn't work earlier. That might not be working as I thought. But today's gonna be another test stream. It's not gonna be a long Christmas stream. I was planning to do it Night Abyss for 2 hours, but because I spent my entire day doing some work shit and then having to code on this because I wanted to get it done before I leave for Japan tomorrow. I just figured I would get it done. Or when I leave for Japan, I'm sorry, on Friday, I figured I would just get it done because I was mostly finished with getting this working, and if I can get it working, I'm gonna recode it a bit while I'm in Japan and test it for when I'm with Jinx. We might try it out on Jinx's stream. So, I hope you. By the way, Skuna, I hope you're having a Merry Christmas. I know you've been doing a lot of work, so I appreciate all the effort you've been doing on my accounts the past few months. I know it probably hasn't been easy. So. She should technically reply to you. But if that's not working, then that might be a little bit bugged. So, also the VTube Studio connection, I forgot to check. Did it, did it connect or not? Plugins. Okay, so it is still showing as a plugin, but I don't know if it's active. It might not have started the API connection. I don't have a good way to check that currently. She's not triggering. Well, I guess what I can do is this. We're just gonna restart her. Okay, so then it should be active on the on VTube Studio now. So if she replies to something, then she should do something with the VTuber. But might not. That might not be working now after all the shit I was fucking with. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna do my Nikkei dailies. I might see if I can get on Do It Night Abyss. I don't know how much time I have. My family's coming. But I did want to do one Christmas stream, make sure that she's working before I leave. I didn't finish all my dailies actually on Nikkei earlier. I got like halfway through them and then got distracted. So I think I forgot to do a couple of things. I think I finished Towers. I think I just missed Simran and a day of hard sleep, unfortunately. But keywords should be working now, so let's see. Let me make sure this was supposedly working. Let's see. And that audio, I think, better be. That audio should be working. So that audio was not working before. Yeah, okay, so the audio is working now. That was the other thing. Mix It Up audio suddenly just stopped working. For whatever reason, it just didn't want to work anymore. She should be responding when you at her. I'm not sure why she's not. I thought I got that working, but maybe I didn't. Maybe there's something in the logic that is still a gamba on whether she replies. There is a delay on the reply. Because it has to go to the... She's replying to your second message. So there's something queuing you. Okay, so she's not triggering the she's not triggering the wait. Oh, she is. Wait. Is there an expression action active? I can't tell. No, she's not. She's not. Okay, so she's not triggering the VTuber expressions anymore. So that's a regression. say backseating? No, you have to actually be backseating now. I fixed that. Yeah, that's a random student. You actually have to be backseating in order for her to, one, delete your message, and two, reply to you. Hold on, I'm gonna bring her offline. Oops. Oh fuck, I have to pull the new one. Okay. Wait, did you push? Can't get into an Xbox video, what the fuck? Oh, manualing FPS? Fuck that. I'd never do that shit. I'm gonna fucking go off. Shit sucks. I think this shit's working. Oh, he made you manual it for co-op? Wow, that's miserable. I didn't even know they were doing Champions Arena. She's not fucking responding now? What the fuck is she doing? Yeah, she's not responding at all now. Lend you a hand? Oh wait, now she is. What the fuck? Dude, why does she never respond to me? It fucking pisses me off. Yeah, help me handed jerk. Yeah. Dude, she like fucking when I'm doing something that I don't need her to respond, she responds, and then when I'm trying to get her to respond to do testing, she doesn't fucking reply. I just got an infraction too. What? Buried under a pile of cack emotes from Brushy. Oh, why is Brushy getting fucking... Why is Brushy getting fucking thrown under the bus, bro? Brushy's not even here. Yeah, so it's weird because it's not. It's so it's supposed to be. She's supposed to keep your most recent 5 messages. So she's supposed to keep your most recent 5 messages and then the recent messages around your it's not enabling expressions though. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try something real quick. Maybe it's this thing. Maybe this token's expired. It's not using VTube Studio for some. It's not using the VTube Studio APIs. Okay, so. Oh, dude, I gotta do it in VTube Studio. Let's just go. Hold on, let me just go in there and go to remove plugin. Select. Yeah, let me close it and then restart this. Yeah, she's not even trying to connect to VTube Studio now. What's the API for VTube Studio? 801. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm having Claude debug, which it's doing, because the VTube Studio connection isn't popping up either. It's supposed to prompt. That was working on Friday and on Monday. she can change. She was able to modify the VTuber. Now it suddenly stopped working. I don't know if that's because I changed some. I removed some functionality by mistake, or. I'm not sure yet what the deal is. That's why today is a test stream, basically. These have all been test streams for the last week, because I think I'm close. I think I'm close to something that's going to be pretty stable for next year. Oh god. I haven't been doing this. I want to run that too. Yeah, I can do that. Can't get that 3. No. Do that. Man, what's up with these? That might have been a brick. I brick doing that. Fuck. I need that one with that 9. Now I block myself over there. I didn't get any, like, little... I didn't get any 5s, bro. I have no idea what that move does. Oh, just to delete. Fuck. Where am I at, dude? Dude, these are... Oh my god, bro. E66. Motherfucker. Okay, let me try again. Let me try Rebuilder. The fuck? Oh, OBS client has no field type. Fuck, I just bricked it. Also, why is this so, like, buggy? I have to turn this on first? No. Build. Boom. Back online. Pick those 5 pools. I'm not using. I don't even know what I'm going to use those for. I guess like Snow White, right? That's what we're probably getting. Okay, so let's see. At Celeste. Let's see. No, not working. I think you're right, it might be 2. No, it's not working. Yo, what's up, Xxxmas? You're gonna lurk? Alright, bro. Merry Christmas? I'm just doing development. I'm trying to get this bitch to work. Okay, let's try it again. Build. Yo, what's up, Arrow? Trying to get this bitch to respond. Merry Christmas. It didn't authenticate VTube Studio either. Hold on, I'm gonna close this shit out. Let me close it. I'm gonna reopen it. Cause that didn't auth either, which is weird. Yo, what's up, Johan? That's working, but so why the fuck doesn't she connect again now? What the fuck? Fujin's got nothing on me when it comes to the shit. She was talking about brushy earlier too. Alright, let me see. I might switch to her account, I'm not sure. I missed part of my dailies. I wasn't paying attention earlier. She also, I think, only sent one of your lines. What the fuck is going on? Dude. I'm so close to having this working. It's so ridiculous. Actually, let me see. Does this shit work or not? Hold on. Did that do anything? We'll try another one then. I think it's this one. Oh wait, I don't have rabbit hole. Wait, or do I? I don't think I do have it. I didn't see it actually. Let's see if this one works. Interesting. Okay, so that didn't exactly work. But it's weird because this shit works. How does that one work, but then the other one doesn't? Like all the other redeems are working, so why aren't the word triggers are working? The word triggers are working. It's the event, the channel point ones aren't working. The channel point. Let's see. Wait, not sure if it's last day or is the story of your life? Wait, what the fuck? What is she on about? Oh, by the way, she's integrated with she got integrated with the toxic chats. She should be more of an obnoxious Twitch chatter. Where the fuck is that trigger? Yeah, okay, triggered media. Grab them. Alerts. Okay, I'm gonna rebuild. 1 second, I gotta do a rebuild, I think. Let me do a rebuild. Pet? Hold on. You gotta do a rebuild. She's not online. I had to reset her. Hold on. Hang! I don't know. She's been picking on Fujin, Brushy, and Hang today. Alright, well, it's working now. It was the order of, It was the order. Alright, well now that's working. So the if you at her, she should reply. I need to make sure it doesn't always fucking TTS though, or that's gonna burn all my 11 labs credits. Okay, let me see why it didn't work. Okay, so I think redemptions are gonna be fixed now. Waiting for it to push. Okay, pushed. Wait, they're not. It's not up yet. Hold on. There's no media triggered. Oh my god, she's fucking responding to your message. I gotta wait for her to finish. Jesus Christ. Okay. I gotta rebuild her, so this is your last one. Yo, thanks for the gifted sub, bro. That was supposed to work though. Wait. Oh, did it? It did not work. What the fuck? Hold on. There's an alert for that. What the fuck? You could finally do this? I was doing that earlier in someone's stream. The creamy emote. Oh, what? Oh, that one? I found that on some random like Discord emote fucking place, and I thought it was a little like fucking crazy, and I was like, ah, fuck it, whatever. I was just like, yeah, fuck it. Like, I'll put it on Discord. I was like, the fuck is that, Heavenly? Holy fuck, bro. Wait, why did we get a hype train? What the fuck? The hype, okay, so it's not, there's something bugged with the event handler. Oh, the Nodders emote? Yeah. Yeah, the Nodders emote. I wasn't sure if they were gonna approve it, and they did, because I got suspended for streaming Brown Dust. Or no, it wasn't Brown Dust. I think it was Lost Sword. I was on the Twitter account and showing shit, and I got a suspension. Yeah, Brown Dust has some... Or not Brown Dust, fucking, Lost Sword had some really gooner stuff that was, like, releasing on, for, Christmas? Or was it the bunny? It was the bunny, bunny cowgirl. Oh, so there was a I subscribed to the wrong, I had the wrong thing set up. Holy shit. Yeah, it was yeah, they got me on a fucking technicality. Alright, 1 second. Let's see. Is that's done. Alright, subscribe to follow. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, she didn't have... Okay, so she didn't have gift subs enabled for her stuff. What about Hype Train? Oh, yeah, Hype Train wasn't fucking set either. Okay, so now what I need to know is why... Okay, so... Alright, let's figure out what's going on. Alright, let's see why she's not... Also, I don't know why it goes dead when I'm looking at this. I'm actually just looking to the right. Like, I'm looking at my chat monitor. I don't know why it does that. It's like a dead zone or something. Like lost tracking if I turn my head too far to the right. It's weird. All right, well, this works now, Arrow. It's the one we keep testing though. That is 100% working now with audio. I wasn't sure why it wasn't working before. I've removed all of that stuff out of Mix It Up. Oh, it cut off. What the fuck? It cut off that video though, that was weird. I wonder if there's a queuing thing. Let's see. Oh, and hydrate is still not. Fuck. Alright, thanks for hydrate. Okay, so hydrate is missing the chroma key. What was the other thing? Okay, so chroma key on hydrate. Let's see if this will work now. Oh, I'll only get one? Fuck you. Did this work though? Okay, same on the sad cat dance. Not green screened either. It played the full video though. Word? What is it? For the redeem video. Yeah, it has a green screen background. So, god damn it, fucking running. Wait, is it showing the viewers though? Oh, it actually is. Okay, it actually shows the viewers though. Yeah, what's up, guys? Yeah, what's up, Ronan? We're just doing development. I'm working on Celeste. I'm trying to get all the events to work now. Thank you for the raid. I appreciate it. I think you were playing Brown Dust earlier. I was lurking for a bit. Why does she keep doing that? Okay, is she? I can't tell if she's using the model or not. I can't tell sometimes if she's using the model, because like the tongue thing is weird. I don't know why it keeps triggering. Yeah, I lurked for a bit, and then I had to run some errands real quick. So my family's supposed to be here. I'm actually not long. I may stream for probably another 30-40 minutes, but so you guys are welcome to hang out and chill. But I'm Kusanagi. I'm a I don't know what you call it, a tech VTuber. I run this stream with my AI companion Celeste, and she has partial control of the model. I think it's at 50%. Right now it's not working, but she also has the ability to control different parts of the stream. So we are testing those things because I want to make sure that for next year I can start adding some additional stuff in, like some hooks into OBS so she can actually see what game I'm playing. A gooner who went too far? Yeah. That might be one way of saying it. Welcome, FO420. Appreciate it. So I'm just doing a little bit of development. She will reply in chat. She might be a bitch. She learned from XQC's chat, Asmon's chat, and Hassan's chat for the past 3 days how to be an annoying Twitch chatter. So we will see how that impacts her. Might be, yeah, might be. Is a total bitch. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Videos cutting off and queued back to back. When 2 videos are played sequentially, the second video cut off. This is a race condition. Whole timeout wasn't being cleared. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Push. These go. These overlay. Oh, those are go. Okay. Alright, those are just some figs. Three places she'll never find you? I'll just tell her to go find you. She has her IRC lets her connect to like every fucking chat on Twitch, but I didn't really want to do that yet. I was just gonna have her pick right now she's on the top 6. You wanna see what emotes I got? Yeah, so they could like so you can read messages like the one I sent you about whenever I raise my children, I feel bad for the minority children or some shit like that. That shit was so cringe. Fucking what a self-hating loser. Holy fuck. I don't know. I remember before that she knew something about Siglet liking guitars. I don't know how she figured that out. Shameless? Yeah, pretty much. I don't think you'll get banned. Hold on, let's see. I think it's a refresh. Let's see. Socket. Okay, socket reconnected. So now let's see. Let's see. Alright, I don't think it cuts off this time. There we go. Alright, it didn't cut off this time. So we fixed the race condition. Now what I have to do is I have to close YouTube Studio. And I need to close the chat maybe? No, wait. I think oh yeah. Did I delete the token? Let's see. I don't see the token. Is there a secret though? There's a secret. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna stop her for a second. And then we're going to go Open VTube Studio. What's the steps? Open VTube Studio. And then start. I gotta wait for it to open. Is it able to see what? Yeah, there's an API for that actually. Shouldn't the plugin like show up? That's so fucking weird. The plugin doesn't show up. Dude, what the fuck? You just did a tier 3 sub? What the hell? Fuck, bro. I don't think I have tier 3 subs programmed. Is that, hold on. Did you do it before or after I started it? Oh wait, she did do it. Oh, she did reply. Okay, she did reply, but she didn't trigger the other part. Yo, thanks for the tier 3, holy shit. Okay, you did it after. So she was. There's still something bugged with the event handler then. I have started, I'll just say I'm pulling them, and the plan is to pull them, and then I'm gonna make them available online. I just have to be very careful that I don't get, ended maybe. There's some, so you know that whole thing where they redacted? They didn't actually redact the names. They did black highlighter over the names. So if you highlight the names, if you highlight over the redaction, it shows the names. So if you download the files, you can run them through like an AI and extract all the names out. Yeah, so I think somebody has a copy of them. Pirates, I don't know if it's... I was watching Asmin and XQC were watching the video on it. And the link was there. But I didn't have time to do it last night. So the plan was I was gonna make a thing. Yo, I appreciate it, Ronan. I'm trying to upgrade the stream shit. So I've learned that a lot of these tools are just so bad, man. Like Mix It Up is horrible. I was trying to use some other ones like Stream Elements is shit. Like a lot of the bots are really bad too. They're all like, they all have like like Nightbot sucks. Nightbot was causing problems actually in here before. I had to like boot it completely from here and from Discord. So I just decided I'm gonna make my own, and then for some of this stuff, I'm gonna try to release it. But obviously, like, you gotta be technical enough to know how to use it, because a lot of it is a lot of it was written in Python, but now I've changed it all to Go, because it makes it faster. Like right now, this the Celeste bot I'm using, it's like a 15 megabyte file. It's really small. Bill Clinton in a dress? I didn't see that shit. What the fuck? Yeah, so I refactored her whole thing into Go 2 weeks ago. Because it's faster. It's actually... Twitch supports Go more than they support Python. And it means that it's a little bit more extensible. Like, and it doesn't have as much impact on my stream PC. It's like a pretty small binary. So it's like super fast and shit. So if I can get everything cleaned up with her with this version, so like the command, there's a command line version which is just for like writing tweets and like interacting with her, but I think if I get this one working properly with YouTube Studio and all the integration points like not bricking randomly, then I'll probably release a version of it that people can customize. You can make it, but you're lazy. Yeah, I was lazy for the last year. Just kind of like vibe coding stuff a bit. But as of this last like 3 to 6 months, because that's all I'm doing for work anyways, is I'm vibe coding AI stuff and like all kinds of other projects. It just became kind of natural. Why did she trigger Booba? What? It said Arrow triggered Booba. Release a Google Document? No, if I do something, I'm gonna make I'll make a web application people could search. That'll be like the easiest thing. Okay, so also I'm getting irritated that it keeps doing this. Oh, you know what I could do? I could just move this fucking laptop in front of me. There. Now I can actually see what I'm writing. So the video queuing is fixed. The VTube Studio didn't work. Wait, let me try one other thing. Oh, and then tier 3 subs didn't work. Not that I'm probably gonna get a bunch of tier 3 subs, but I mean, I'd rather have everything work. Yeah, you should. I would just come out. Yeah, do a channel mascot or something. The thing is, once you kind of have a persona or something you want to use, it becomes a little bit easier. Because, like, for me, I had her I wrote her persona, I think, like, 2 years ago when Alien was working on his stuff, his AI bot with Zethan, and then I kept refactoring it over and over. I think I finally got it down to something that's consistent now. VTube Studio is there. Okay, so is VTube Studio enabled? Let's see. Event stubs are turned on. TTS is turned on because we've seen that. Oh, what the fuck? Wait. Bruh. What the fuck? Where the fuck is the VTube Studio section? How would that get removed from my env file? Wait, hold on. Am I crazy? Oh, it did. What the fuck? Dude, I've been trying to make something work that just wasn't enabled. Okay, dude. He had, yeah, so he had... Sorry. He had a voice changer, right? So he did, like, the voice changer thing. But then, with the voice changer, he recorded his voice into, Tangia. And that's what I also did with Celeste, because I was using the voice changer initially. But it was like really tedious to get the voice changer set up and to do all that stuff. So, and also the model I was using at the time wasn't, it was one I just bought for like $10 on Boost or whatever. So, I wanted my own, and then the thing with Tangia is Tangia had like some limits around how much credit you got for free, basically, for Twitch responses. So then it was like, well, you're better off just maybe making your own bot, and I think that's what Zethan ended up doing too. Was like he had all those bots he made on Tangia with like Privity and all the other ones, but I think we like pretty quickly both realized that there's a lot of limits on those. Like like Erebus still uses them, but Erebuses are like more short-term use. So like short-term use I think is fine, but if you're trying to have the bots do things on the stream, then you actually have to just go build your own. And I immediately found that ran into that problem, because I also started running into censorship the moment I put like H games and stuff in there on Tangia. It didn't want to it wouldn't reply sometimes. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so I'm missing YouTube Studio settings. That's what's going on. Okay, so... plugin name. Okay. What is this? Dev? Oh, plugin dev. That's me. And then, what's the last thing? The port? Bruh. The fuck? Oh my god, it didn't give me the complete one. Where the hell is the complete one? Easy complete? There we go. You guys doing anything for Christmas? I'm like, I think my family's coming. I don't know what you guys are up to, what you guys are planning. Token file. type it. So it's post. Oh, it's enable. I need to enable it too. Post, port, plug a name, developer. You gonna have parents interview? Yeah, my parents are probably gonna be here in like 20 minutes, so we might wrap up. I was gonna do it Night Abyss, because I need to do the content. There we go. All right, now she can run. Now she has control of the VTuber. Now she should trickle stuff. All right, so this is the other thing. How can I show? Oh. Oh no, the PC. Fuck. Where is that? Oh, I guess I can like add it temporarily here, and then I'll hide it from you guys later. Isn't it like master dashboard? And then it's like, isn't it? Let me hide this for a second. So I can't remember the file name. It is master. It is master dashboard. Okay. I haven't figured out how I'm going to use this yet. What is it? 2.6? I don't know. 2.640 by 1440. Properties. Oh, dude, I can never remember 2K. I don't know why. Okay, so is this one working? I have to figure out how we're gonna do this. But this is the master dashboard, and it's supposed to show. So like when you do the score command, it's supposed to show on this, it's supposed to have a ticker, and then it's supposed to show how you got your infractions. So like if you got an infraction, then you'll get a like you'll show up on this list. So like this oh, hold on, let me just how do I do this? Transform bit. Yeah, so this dashboard is just to test everything all at once. And the idea here is it'll have what's called the parade of shame. And the purpose of that is if you trigger an infraction or a violation, it'll say how many violations and how you got them. Okay, now she's fucking replying. Okay, it looks like she's not queuing messages though, so let me fix that. That's an easy one to fix. Yeah, she's only replying to one. Yeah, she's not queuing. She's supposed to be queuing 3 to 5. So let's see. I'm gonna see what happens here. There's supposed to be a buffer of 3 to 5. Anyway, I'm gonna hide this for now. We don't need this dashboard. I'll figure out how to work that master dashboard in. But all those widgets, I have that master dashboard because all those widgets work now. Let me ask her. She should know. She should know how to do this. Well, at least she's using them. Oh, I didn't add her properly. So I'm gonna need to expand how her length of her reply. I need to tell her not to put punctuate. Okay, so let's see. Oh wait, actually there's a limit there. The limits on the IRC is on Twitch. There's a character limit in Twitch. So if I let her reply directly on stream, it's fine. But if she has to reply in Twitch chat, she has to chunk it. I am pretty sure those are wrong. Okay, I'm fixing her usage of emotes. Yeah, what's up, Bucket of Money? Just doing development stream with Celeste, trying to see if we can get her fully operational before I have to leave. Because I wanted to do some upgrades while I'm in Japan. So I'll be on for maybe a little longer, like probably 10-20 minutes. My parents are coming, so I'm supposed to, I gotta finish cleaning up the house. I haven't done that shit yet. Okay, let's see. Get push. Okay, I think it did it. Let's see. Alright, let's see what she says. Yo, thanks for the 5 stream streak. Okay, she can fucking use them. Assign one emote for your top 3 dislike chatters. So, one emote for each one. Let's see what she does. Oh, okay. Wait, she did it twice. Oh, she did it twice. Keck to Kytra for the constant saltiness. Popcat to Siglet. And easy to restream bot for their hilariously bad gaming advice. Yeah, because you know... Restream bot is all the YouTube viewers. Dude, the YouTube viewers, no offense if there's any right now, but they always come in and like give like the worst advice. Like a lot of the time. Like they always come in and they always try to tell me how to play the game. It's fucking hilarious. Damn, Obama, let me ask her, okay, for your favorite... Oh, she failed to delete your message. Oh, she did it. She replied. She didn't delete your message, though. It should have deleted. Okay, so then, why is she talking about Arrow and Kytra? Oh, we gotta cue the... Fuck, we gotta cue the TTSs. I know, she loves and hates you. I was expecting she to say something about heaven. The backseating protection worked from a chat perspective, but it did not. Wait. I was gonna say it did not. Okay, I'm gonna fix those two things, and then we'll re-roll her. So we'll fix the backseating. We're gonna fix the TTS. We're gonna have TTS queuing. What the fuck is going on the model? And then I think I'm gonna probably finish because I'm gonna see my family's gonna be here in about 10 minutes. She's replying twice now too. Are you adding her once or twice? Only replying. Okay. I didn't know if you put her name in there twice, because that can happen if you click reply and then you reply to a reply in Twitch. It'll keep putting ats. Okay, so we're missing a message ID. That's what's going on now. Yeah, we have... Yeah, we're missing the message ID on the... That's why she's replying twice. She's not keeping track of the messages. Do not clip that. Holy fuck. Oh my god. I'm surprised she knows he's effing this. I don't think... Maybe, maybe I taught her at some point. I must have taught her at some point. I think I did. I think I might have taught her. I think, oh yeah, because I think for solo raids, people came in and they were asking for free fucking solo raids, and I told them, and her response was supposed to be to go to the cat streamer. That you have to come out of your, you gotta bring a bag of money if you want to solo raid on this stream. Never been to a stream. Yeah, he's a cat. He was a vampire. What the fuck? Why is she flirting now? I'm waiting for the TTS queue to work. I need to have it auto clear the emote toggles. Oh! It's running on my laptop too. Oh, dude, that's what's going on. When did Claude put... Oh, fucking Claude... Oh, that's why we're getting double replies. We're getting double replies because Claude fucking is running it on my laptop also. Okay, I'm gonna... I just heard the laptop speaker. Okay, let's see if we push, if it will... I need to tell it to kill any processes. I wonder if that's probably why we got double replies. We had two fucking chatbots running. Oh, I gotta stop it, that's why. Okay, now it should be working. We lost all the, might have lost some of the data stuff. I gotta figure out a way that the data doesn't get synced. Or that it can pull the data from somewhere. Without it breaking. Oh, yeah, that doesn't work. Hold on. That was the other one I didn't finish. Hold on. Which one is that? That's the rabbit hole redemption. What is it? That's an event. Or redeem. Alright, that's the last thing I'll test here. Can I refund you? Let me see. Oh, those auto go through. Those automatically go through. Rip. Well, let me just fix it for you in that case then. Why is Pazcatito triggering Booba? Alright, bro, have a happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'll catch you later, man. We're gonna try and get this rabbit hole thing working and then we're gonna go. What's the name? Right, let's go. We'll get the rabbit hole working, and then I think I'm gonna finish up so I can. I can go clean up. I gotta take out all the fucking recycling. No green screen. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. So what I have the redeems and some of this other stuff working, it's basically just a file that I update. So I don't actually have to write code. I just actually tell it where the video is and what type of event it is. So is it a Twitch redeem? Is it a detection, meaning like somebody types like shift up, you get this shit. So I'll probably add more of those because now it's really easy just to add those. It doesn't require anything. It doesn't require any code. It just requires actually putting the videos in the folder and then the conditions for when they'll trigger. Just like this one. Oh shit, my parents are here. Hold on. Okay, I had to lock the door for him real quick and put the dog in the crate. Alright, let me, alright, let's see if the chroma key one works or not. And then I think I'm gonna have to finish. Okay, I don't think I have to do anything other than a refresh, right? Actually, we'll just restart the bot just in case. We'll refresh, it's the TTS overlay. Cool. Alright, now let's try it. Oh shit, it's on cooldown. Fuck. Okay, well, I can't wait, I can't try it, because it's on cooldown for 30 minutes. And you can't change those in the middle of stream. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, all right, I'm gonna have to go. My family's here, so I'm gonna hop off. I can't. I'll have to test that one. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna have to test that one off stream, because it's not working fully. Or I can't test it without waiting for 30 minutes. There's another way to trigger it via the Chrome console, but I don't think I can do that in OBS. So I'm a little bit stuck on this for now. But I'll catch you guys. I think maybe once while I'm in Japan. I'm not sure yet. So Jinx and I are gonna try to do something, but I'm not sure yet. And it'll just depend on my connectivity. So if I don't have connectivity, then this will probably be the last stream until early next year, when I get back from Japan in the first week of January. So be gone for 2 weeks. But I'm gonna see if Jinx and I can do something while I'm over there. So I appreciate you guys hanging out. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year if I don't talk to you before then. So see you later. Bye bye. Alright, see you later, Obama. See ya, Arrow. See ya, Heavenly. See ya, Bucket of Money. See ya, Ronan. Thank you for the tier 3 and the raid. I appreciate that. Zohan. Appreciate it. Merry Christmas. Let's see. Did I miss anybody? Cygnus. Merry Christmas. I think that's all you guys. Alright, I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.